In an effort to increase the number of COVID-19 test sites in Illinois, Governor Pritzker expanded the statewide network of federally qualified health centers. That allows the Illinois Primary Health Care Association to mobilize more than 100 testing centers. News 3's Joe Rahana spoke with one local provider on what this means for our region.
And have you came in contact with anybody you know is tested positive for COVID-19?
No.
3 new COVID-19 testing locations are now up and running in our region. Shawnee Health Service Executive Director Patsy Jensen says this is a statewide initiative utilizing more than 100 community health centers throughout Illinois.
This is designed to support the community as a whole. You do not have to be a patient of ours in order to call in if you feel like you are symptomatic or have been exposed to COVID-19 virus.
Shawnee Health Services began testing patients Thursday at its Carterville, Carbondale, and Murfreesboro locations. Jensen says the process begins with screening.
So you may have a temperature, you may have the flu, you may have strep throat.
And continues with identifying and treating your symptoms accordingly.
But in general, it may be something not so dramatic, but you still need to be treated.
Jensen says turnaround time for test results should move rather quickly as samples are sent locally to a state lab in Carbondale.
Our goal is to get those tests processed as quickly as possible so people can be instructed by the public health department going forward on what they need to do.
As testing ramps up, Jensen says we should not be alarmed by the number of positive cases. However, in the debate to reopen the economy,
is it something like this that we actually are going to have before anything like that could even occur for us?
Yeah, absolutely. I think most of our experts are going to say that we've got to know when we've hit that high number before we start reducing the restrictions.
Joe Rahana, News 3.
Shawnee Health Services says testing is open to anyone in our region who is exhibiting symptoms, especially those who have been exposed to others who have tested positive, such as healthcare workers and essential workers. To schedule an appointment, just call the number there on your screen.